Welcome, in front of me is a Meizu M6T, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's pull down notification panel, tap on the settings, and then scroll down to storage. Storage and backup, and at the bottom you should see your SD card. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Format SD card. It's kind of, I'm looking for just how to access the SD card. Well, it already gives me the option right here, so let's select it, and it will bring up a message that's basically performing this. We'll remove everything from that SD card. So obviously, if there's anything that you would like to keep on it, back it up beforehand. But assuming you don't want to, tap on OK. This will automatically begin formatting it, and give it a moment. It should be right about done, and there we go. And it's completely finished now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.